Guys, today I'm gonna cook Granny some dinner, and then eat the dinner that I made her, which is awesome. So we're going in. Okay. So Granny shouldn't be mad at me for last time for buzzing her hair. So I gave her a complete bald cut, so I feel bad. So I'm gonna make her something a little special. She doesn't know, so I can't speak that loud. So shh. She's just gonna think that I'm making her an awesome. Actually, she's probably I make dinner every day, so she's probably gonna think that I'm just making dinner. No, I'm gonna make the best dinner of her whole entire life. Oh no, she's coming over here. Well, let's get the lid. Let's get the lid over here. Over here. It fell off. Yeah. Okay. Alright, lid right here. Let's get the pot. So I'm gonna put that right there, because the pan I'll need later, probably. Ow, that hurt. Hit the counter. Okay. Give me the pot. Throw the pot. Never mind, that didn't work. It just made a ruckus. Sorry, Granny. Please don't be mad at me. I can hear her. She is not happy right now. Because last time I hit her in the head with a frying pan. And I feel really bad for doing that, so yeah, I'm cooking her dinner. We're gonna need some of this. This is my secret ingredient. Okay. Which is literally just water. And you know what? I can't do anything right without making Granny mad, so I'm gonna go get water from the fish tank instead. And she will never know. Because it has some weird algae stuff in it. And I'll go buy time by doing something. Yeah, she's buying time for me. Yep. Pretty annoying though, Grandma. Can't lie.
Oh, what?
Shut up. She's kind of rude. If I accidentally break this, I'm gonna cry. Please don't break. Alright, I got some. If I break it, I don't mean to. Alright, Granny. Here is your aquarium water. And I'm gonna get a knife. Let's go this guy. Yeah, it has some good velocity. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. We open the fridge here, and now we go up. We go out on the counter. Alright? That knife tastes like rubber. Blech. No! You are not coming over here today. Granny, I swear to God, I'm gonna knock you upside your head with a frying pan. You'll see my first ingredient, and that's it. Cucumbers. Now, I hate cucumbers. So, just gonna get a bit of water in there.
I'm going to me.
Get off the call with Grandpa. He hung up on you, so. And you know what? If you guys want to, go ahead and try this. If you're a parent, go ahead and try this in real life by yourself. See if my recipe is good or bad. But don't actually add aquarium water, just add normal water. Please. Please. Don't do that. And if you're feeding it to your children, especially don't do that. Because as children, these are yours. Oh yeah, right, you can't chop those. A little bit of tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add them. Now I know Granny loves these tomatoes, so I'm gonna get a start on that. Oh wait, no, I'm not done. Hold on. Okay. Granny loves these. I know she loves tomatoes. I mean, not tomatoes, potatoes. She loves potatoes. Oh. Potatoes. There we go. Alright, now we can put that at a full boil. Here. Please don't do this in real life because I don't know what you actually set it to, but it should be boiling about now. Now. Like the first time. Now, we wait for about, I'm going to say 10 minutes, but I don't know how you wait in real life, so I'll stop it whenever I feel comfortable. And right there. Don't burn it though. I messed up, so I have to redo that. Alright. That's done. So, this time, I'm just going to do a potato in there and a cucumber. But if the first option works and you don't like tomatoes, you can do this option, which is way better. Even if you have a knife too. Give me more potatoes. I love potatoes, and I know Granny does, so I'm gonna add 2 more potatoes to the mix. Here we go. Alright. See, actually, maybe even a second cucumber, because we have 3 potatoes. And a second cucumber. So, 3 potatoes, 2 cucumbers, chopped up into equally 4 bits on each side. So, the cucumber is chopped up on 2 on each side. So, you chop it in half, chop down the middle of those both, so you get 4. And out of the potato too, just chop 4 pieces, exactly like that, and you should have. So I'm gonna start this. Didn't work. Didn't work. There you go. I'm gonna do it about right here. So. That looks good, and it's looking awesome actually. And add a little bit more water in there so Granny can have soft food, because I took her dentures out that one time. I didn't need to. Sorry, Granny. I didn't mean to break a bottle. I'll return this fish to the...
Zatraska, you've got to for me.
I'm sorry. Okay. So I'm landing over here. We're gonna go up here. And I'm gonna put the fish back in the fish tank. And feed them.
Don't me.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I'm not gonna clean that up. Granny can in her free time. Hi, Gran. Alright, we need a plate. Let's get... Oh, I was just looking at them. Cool, hopefully I don't break these. I really hope I don't. Because they can break. You know what? I'm gonna get her a cup. Yeah. Oh, shit. I don't mean to. Sorry if I break you. Okay. Oh, now I know. Cups are like indestructible, right? Aren't they? Oh shit. I didn't know.
Zatraska. Open the seal. You'll get far too for me.
You're scary, but you're short as hell. Sorry, Gran. You know what? Even though it was an accident, I'm gonna do it anyway. Because she's still mad at me for doing it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I was gonna add it to the pile, not eat it, but I guess not. You know what? I will. I will. And Granny's not the happiest type always, so I wish I could put the cup in my mouth. Alright. And we have our cup here. And a cucumber. And a piece of potato. And a piece of extra nourishment, which is also mean glass. Please don't do that in real life. And extra cucumber because she punished me for doing something that I did on accident. So. And I'm gonna get this down there, and then, you know, close the fridge, put it in the fridge. But Granny? Oh yeah, I didn't break it. Okay, good. Granny, I've got food for you. Taking it slow. Slowly. Oh shit. Okay, I'll get those two.
I want it.
Stop doing that. Jesus. You're scaring me. I just ate it on purpose. Come on, lean forward. You like cucumbers? Please like it. She loves it. Here, take the cucumber. You like it? Yeah, it's my special homemade. Special homemade. Now here's your glass of nourishment. She didn't eat it, so I had to do that. Sorry. Yeah, I got a little mad. Look at her. She's just resting. She's fine. See? Today's the best day ever. Oh shit. I'm gonna die. And I've got the box. Yet again. Have a good day.